In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year end on QuickBooks, a task that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. This is an important process for anyone managing their own business finances and using QuickBooks Online, as it helps keep your financial records aligned with your fiscal year. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Make sure you're using a compatible browser that's up to date to avoid any glitches. Once you've arrived on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and give that a click. Now you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure you've entered your credentials correctly to avoid being locked out. Once you've entered your information, press the sign in button again to access your account. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry, QuickBooks provides an option to reset it right there. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You'll find this by clicking on the gear icon, typically located at the top corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Think of this gear icon as your gateway to all the customizable settings for your account. Within the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Account and Settings. Click on that and you'll find different categories that you can customize. What we're focusing on here is the Advanced Settings category. Click on Advanced to dive into a deeper level of options to manage your account details. Now that you're in the Advanced section, look for a subsection named Close the Books. This is crucial for adjusting your year-end date. The Close the Books feature is important because it allows you to lock your financial data up to a specific date, ensuring that transactions prior to that date are not accidentally changed, which can be key during audits or reporting. Once you're in the Close the Books section, you will see an option to choose a closing date. Click on that and a calendar will pop up. From here, select the date that aligns with the new fiscal year end you have chosen for your company. Double check to ensure you've selected the correct date, as this will impact your financial reports. The final step is to save your changes. Locate and click on the Save button to confirm the new year end date. Remember that saving your progress is crucial to ensure that all changes are applied successfully. And that's it, you've just changed the year-end date in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your financial calendar up to date helps streamline your accounting process, making audits and financial reviews a lot smoother down the line. Remember to review this setting annually to ensure it aligns with your business's fiscal needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more tips and tricks.